Hola, it's Gabby here for Crafty Gabby, and today I'm going to make a card for Mother's Day. And using watercolors to color in the panel, and using the same yellow to do it darker and lighter, and darker in the outside and lighter in the inside. But you can use two different yellows if you want. I'm also going to spray a little bit of the shimmer in the card. And I'm going to make like a talk. I think it's called talking bubble or something like that. I'm going to stamp this doll, and I'm going to color it with my copy markers. And right now I'm just gluing a little bit of frame in the bubble to make it pop. After that, you will see how I'm going to color my stamp, that is this little girl with 3 heart balloons. And after that I'm going to ensemble all the card panel. Now that my doll is ready, my little girl is ready, I'm going to start gluing everything together. As you see here, like I said before, I have this black piece of paper cut with the same dye. I just glue it a little bit of the outside to leave a little bit of frame in black. I also, as you see, when I finished coloring the little girl, I just went around with my memento marker, and I didn't leave the white border in this card because I liked them, but for this case I didn't want to. Now I'm going to glue everything together, and after that I'm going to start making letters that are going to be in the talking bubble or whatever it's called. I really don't know. Okay, before making the letters, I'm going to add some details with my white gel pen. and I still looking and adding and looking and adding, and but the moment I say don't look anymore because if you're still looking, we don't want to stop making details with this amazing white gel marker. I love it. Here you see I adding the word mom several times because I want the girl to be a little bit like those girls that call mom, 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 mommy, mom, mom, mom without stopping. And then she's going to say a very nice sentence that is going to be inside the car. After I finish gluing these letters, I'm going to start making the inside of the car. That it's going to start with a white panel, with white cardstock, and I'm going to make it a car base, and I'm going to stamp some words that I find in the Simon Says where sorry is Simon Says with honeybee stamps. They call remarkable you, and I also going to add another word for another stamp set that I can remember right now what it is. This stamp that I adding, the little girl that I add outside and the inside, is for Love Cynthia stamps. I think so. I'm not good at names for that. I almost never get. I just buy what I like and that's it. Okay, you see here, I put you are amazing, happy Mother's Day, and I'm going to add the little girl, another little girl inside the previously color, and I just stamping what is missing when I fussy cut the stamp. But I didn't fussy cut the stamp, I did fussy cut the paper where I stamp this little girl. Okay, after that I will glue her, matching the stamp with the stamp that I did in the car. After that, I'm going just to add some details on the outside. I think I add glossy accents on the small letters in the balloons. Oh, because I add letters in the balloon, trying to match in the letters and the colors of the inside of the car. Then just in the outside of the car, I add the glossy accent on the small letters and in the heart of the dress of the doll. I also going to add some let me see, they are like sequins, they are flower sequence in black. I know black it sounds a little bit morbid, but it's just black flowers that I think they help her grounded, because I didn't put any shadow or anything on their hair and she looked like maybe she's floating, and it's for that I put those sequins that you will see later on in the video. And they tried, I did it in black because that way I tried to connect the letters in black, bulky black, with the flowers in the bottom of the car. Well, now I'm going to glue my car panel to my car base, and then I'm going to add the flowers that I talked before. And that will be it for my car for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you like it, and until next card, goodbye.